Hi, my name is 𝐒𝐲'. In this quick tutorial video, I'm about to show you how you can import contacts to system.io. Okay, I will explain everything, show everything to you. After this video, it will become very easy to you. Okay, so in this video, I will share with you the mistake that you must avoid while importing your list to system.io, and where you can check your email whether it's valid or not, and all those fun stuff. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's dive in. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here is we need to create a tag in system.io. Okay, there is no email list unlike GetResponse. In GetResponse, you see I have email list here. So in system.io, there is no email list, so you have to first create a tag. So let's go to contacts and then tags. Okay, so we will create a new one. Let's add a new tag, and let's say I will name it core list building. Okay, sorry, core list building. Okay, let's save it. So now we have our tag here. Let's correct it. Okay, I'm going to keep it, so I want it to be as I want it. Okay, so let's go. We now have our tag successfully, and it's time to import some contacts. Okay, we will now click on contacts. Now you can either create a contact or you can import contacts. Okay, so I will show you both. To create contact, you will create here, you will give email address, name, last name, city is the information you want to provide, and you will click here to tag it to the list we just created, and the contact will be imported in that tag. Okay, so it will be tagged with it. So you will create here and you will save, so it will create a new contact, and we want to actually import contacts. Okay, so let's go to import contacts. I'm doing it right now with you, importing contacts to my in my account. Okay, so let's go. There are a few things that you don't need to read because you will follow this video and I will show you everything here. Okay, so first of all, you if you have contacts in your other provider, for example Aweaver, GetResponse, you need to download that first. Okay, and then you need to edit it, and you need to create a CSV file, which I will show you. Then you need to upload it to your system.io. So I am using GetResponse, so I will show you how you can download contacts from GetResponse. If you are using other service provider, do a little bit of research. Okay, so for GetResponse, you can see I have a few lists here. So let's say I will download this contact. So I will click here, and then I will click on show contacts, and then I will click here, right here, three dots, and I will click on export. So if I click here, the contacts will be downloaded as a CSV file. Okay, sorry, it will be downloaded as Excel sheet. Okay, so now I have downloaded mine, and I have made made this one to show you. You have to format it this way. First name, first should be name, then email address, and if you have other information like country or city, you can put here, and if you don't have, it doesn't matter, not necessary. Okay, so first column must be name, and the second one must be email address. Okay, name, email, then the name and email address, and you must save it as a CSV file. Okay, right now it's a .xlsx file, which is Excel file. You need to save it as a CSV file to upload these contacts in system.io. That is one of their requirements. Okay, so let's go ahead and save it now. Click on save as for this case. So we need to click here, and CSV, not this CSV, CSV comma delimited. Okay, right here, in system, they write it here that it must be contact system.io, it must be comma, the commas as the delimiter. So we will save it as CSV comma delimited in this format. Okay, so if I click on here, it will be saved. So let's save it. Yes, so it is now saved. Okay, so I'm not actually going to add this, it's just to show you to hide the email addresses, but I will actually import my real email addresses that I will use. Okay, so now I have saved the file here, this file here, CSV file, and it's time to import, and I'm going to show you how you will import. Okay, so choose file, you will click on this one. This is actually my real email contact, so I will choose this file right here. It's also a CSV file. Okay, so I imported it, and now it's time to tag it to the list we just built. Remember the list we built, the tag we created, so we will tag it with that. Okay, so these contacts will be tagged with that tag, and which we will use in the future to send newsletters, this tag. Okay, so here something you need to do, which is you need to click here and you need to do first name, because in this Excel sheet the first column is the first name. Okay, the name of the subscriber. So we'll need to click here and we need to make it like first name, email address, then country, then city, because I have country and city. Okay, so that's all good. Now if I click on import, these contacts, right, around 700 contacts, they will be added to my system.io. And one thing I need to warn you, the mistake I talked about at the beginning of this video, the mistake that I made, I want you to avoid it. Okay, the mistake I made was that I didn't clean my sheet. Okay, when I exported it from GetResponse, there was a few fake email addresses, some spammy email addresses, but I did not clean that. I just simply imported that. As a result, I got an email from them, this email. So if you do not want to get this email and your account to be blocked, then definitely clean your list. Okay, just I will show you how you can check email address and clean your list. So let's look at this email. They wrote, I'm contacting you regarding the last import of the contacts you made to our account. Can you please answer the following questions? 1. Could you please tell us the source of your imported contact list? 2. What kind of permission did you receive from these people to send them emails? And also 3. Did you clean up your list by removing all false inactive email addresses before importing? So you will get this email, and here, right here, send emails from your account has been temporarily blocked for security reasons. So if you do not want your account to be blocked, then definitely clean the list before you import it. Okay, so there are two I want to share with you, email checker, how you can clean your email. So you can use this website emailchecker.net to check emails, but only limitation is that they only allow 5 email addresses in 1 hour. That means you cannot check more than 5 email addresses in 1 hour. So they're giving this service for free, and that's their limitation. And good news is there is another email checker which is called email list verify, and you can right here get 100 email verifications for free. Okay, so if your list is less than 100, that's great news. You can simply create a account with them and you can verify 100 email address for free. And it's more than 100, then you need to buy. Okay, so you can visit this website emaillistverify.com. if you like look at the email address, and if you think that is fishy, then you have to check, otherwise they will simply block your account. Okay, so clean your list before importing, and I showed you everything about importing list to system.io. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up, and you can share your opinions in the comments. and you can also join my email list, because I share a lot of valuable information for free. I share courses with my email subscribers. So if you are someone like want to do affiliate marketing or online business, you are really passionate about making money online, so you can get my free course about affiliate marketing by simply joining my email list. The link will be in the video description. Okay, and if you want to join system.io, which is definitely a great software, and it's really, I migrated from GetResponse to system.io, because you can get 2000 email address for free. For in the free plan you can have 2000 email address. So it's a great software. If you want to join, the link will be in the video description also. And please give me a subscribe, and see you in my future videos. Okay, until then, have a great day and keep it up.